Welcome back to Cop Tool, the authority on power tools. I'm Aaron, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Milwaukee M12 3/8-inch cordless ratchet. Milwaukee created this to replace the previous model, which was a brush motor. This is a brushless motor, which is going to give you more power, better run time, and just overall it's more durable. It has 55 pounds max torque, 200 RPMs just to kind of keep things cranking. It's variable speed, and when you use it, we got to use it a little bit, and when you use it, it just feels strong, it feels durable. This is a legit power tool. So this cordless ratchet is clearly going to be used most often by mechanics, and a lot of mechanics are moving to a battery power tool instead of an air tool. You just have less to finagle. You got no hoses around, you got no air compressor to maintain, you have a battery in the tool, you have a battery on the charger, and you can just keep flowing. We had a chance to use this, and it's very easy to tell right from the outset. As soon as you put it on a bolt, it's just as much power as an air tool. I mean, you might have some slight differences, but it feels durable. It's very heavy duty. The weight, even just comparing the weight of these, it's obvious that it's of the same build quality. The Ratchet is available now in a variety of different kits or just as a standalone tool. And of course, that's only half the story. Check out the rest of it at coptool.com. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you then.